Kaamulan started as a festival on May 15, 1974 during the fiesta celebration of the municipality of Malaybalay. A town official thought of inviting some indigenous people to town and made them perform a few dance steps at Plaza Rizal to enliven the fiesta celebration. The celebration, however, proved very popular, and together with national coverage, the Kaamulan Festival has become the Festival of Northern Mindanao. As declared by the Regional Development Council of Region 10 on September 16, 1977, Kaamulan was formerly held on the first week of September, but in 1996, it was transferred to the present date to synchronize it with the foundation celebration of the province.
The Philippines is a country blessed with many natural wonders and resources. And the best among these God-given gifts, resources, is its people.